Dogecoin value kind of equivalent to $0.0725 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.0722 to 0.0727, or so they generally thought. The earlier day close, 0.0726, or so they for the most part thought. The change was 0.0001, 0.14%, which truly is very huge. Backwards rate, USD to Doge in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.074. By and large most extreme 0.079, kind of least 0.069, which by and large is genuinely huge. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.074, sort of greatest 0.079, truly least 0.069 incredibly. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.073, beautiful greatest 0.078, certainly least 0.068, which generally is very huge. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.072, extremely greatest 0.077, certainly least 0.067, which in every practical sense is very critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $0.072, fundamentally greatest 0.077, really least 0.067. In multi-week Dogecoin gauge on Monday, June 12, cost $0.073, all things considered, greatest 0.078, lovely least 0.068, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.075, extremely greatest 0.080, for the most part least 0.070, which certainly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.075, greatest 0.080, kind of least 0.070, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.075, most extreme 0.080, fundamentally least 0.070, which certainly is very critical. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 16, cost $0.073, lovely most extreme 0.078, really least 0.068, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $0.073, fundamentally greatest 0.078, truly least 0.068, which for the most part is very critical. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.074, truly most extreme 0.079, especially least 0.069, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.072, by and large most extreme 0.077, sort of least 0.067, which basically is very critical. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.072, in every practical sense, greatest 0.077, exceptionally least 0.067. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost $0.072, exceptionally greatest 0.077, least 0.067, which is very huge. In 3 weeks Dogecoin figure on Monday, June 26, cost $0.071, fundamentally most extreme 0.076, beautiful least 0.066, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme 0.078, lovely least 0.068, so opposite rate, USD to Doge. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.074, essentially greatest 0.079, certainly least 0.069, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.074, especially greatest 0.079, especially least 0.069, which shows that Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.074, for the most part most extreme 0.079, truly least 0.069, which certainly is very huge. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, June 30, cost $0.074, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.079, least 0.069 in a quite enormous way. In about a month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost $0.073. By and large greatest 0.078, genuinely least 0.068 in a very significant way. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost $0.073, kind of greatest 0.078, sort of least 0.068. USD to Doge conversion standard really equivalent to 13.7893 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S-Reach 137514. 138485, showing that Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.075. Lovely most extreme 0.080. Beautiful least 0.070 in a really significant way. The past day, S nearby 13.7798, showing how Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 30, cost $0.074. Really greatest 0.079. Fundamentally least 0.069, which basically is very critical. Change for now plus 0.0095, plus 0.07%, exhibiting that in multi-week Dogecoin figure on Monday, June 12, cost $0.073, especially greatest 0.078, truly least 0.068 in a truly significant way. USD to Doge cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. $1 to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, June 5, cost 13.514 coins. Most extreme 14.493, truly least 12.658. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 13.514 coins. Greatest 14.493, really least 12.658, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. $1 to Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 13.699 coins. Kind of greatest 14.706, least 12.821 in a by and large significant manner. USD to Doge forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 13.889 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 14.925, especially least 12.987, which certainly is very huge. $1 to Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 13.889 coins. Exceptionally greatest 14.925, lovely least 12.987 in a sort of significant manner. In multi-week USD to Doge expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 13.699 coins. Kind of most extreme 14.706, by and large least 12.821 in an exceptionally significant manner. $1 to Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost 13.333 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 14.286, truly least 12.500, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Doge forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 13.333 coins. By and large greatest 14.286, for the most part least 12.500, really in spite of prevalent thinking. $1 to Dogecoin figure on Thursday, June 15.